Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Hi, my name is Alex. I am owner of Smith's Signature Prints, where I share smart, budget-friendly tips for young entrepreneurs just like yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a budget-friendly tutorial on how to create thank you cards front and back with a add-on scratch-off sticker as well. So let's not waste any more time. Let's hop into desktop mode. So these are the thank you cards that I created from scratch. If you like this template, I don't mind you guys, taking, any ideas from what you see in this video today. I know some people like, do your own thing, don't try to copy off me. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Your business is your business. You may get inspiration from one of my templates. I don't mind. So this is my creation here. I did do, the top and the bottom. You're going to do 2 pages, 6 by 4. If your mind is kind of drawing a blank on how you really want to create your thank you cards, you can always go to the design section in Canva and get a little bit of inspiration from here and kind of start from one of the pre-loaded templates. Now this thank you one right here is pretty standard, but I like it. I feel like you could do a lot with this one. Change the colors, add a little bit of hearts, maybe add your logo in there. Just add your little touch. But this base right here is really simple for just, starting off. And then on the second page, you want to go ahead and create the back of the thank you card. You can add on your social media, add some icons, add a freebie, whatever you want to add on the back. Just, let your creativity take hold. Once you have your thank you cards designed, you're going to go ahead and download them as a PNG. Then you're going to open up a new design and customize the size as 8.5 by 11. We're going to fit 3 thank you cards on 1 sheet of paper. Now you're going to go ahead and just upload your PNG files. Now, since my thank you cards is white, what I like to do just to make sure I have everything aligned correctly is I change the background to black, because we need to make sure that the top and the bottom is aligned directly on top of each other. So when we print it out, it prints and aligns correctly. Now, when you upload your PNG back into Canva, it's not going to upload a 6 by 4. You're gonna have to make sure that the thank you card is a 6 by 4. So just play around with the margins a little bit and just make sure it's aligned. So I'm going to duplicate this 3 times. Now for the top or the front of the thank you card, you have to have it flipped a certain way for it to not look backwards when you print it out. So the top needs to be flipped this way at the bottom. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and duplicate this page because we're going to start building the back of the thank you card. Okay, so now I'm going to just make sure this is aligned directly on top. Make sure it's a 6 by 4. It may be a little off, but just make sure everything is aligned correctly. Now this step is also very important. So when you duplicate the bottom portion of the thank you card, it needs to be flipped the opposite direction of the first page. So since I did flip it to the left on the first page, I need to flip it to the right on the second page, because if you do not do this step, when you print out your thank you cards, it's going to print out upside down or backwards. Then once you have everything aligned correctly, you're going to go ahead and remove the background images, because we don't want that. We just want the 3 images from the bottom of the thank you card, so the back images only. Now I'm about to go ahead and jump over to the printer so I can show you how to load the paper. Okay, so the printer I'll be using today in this video is my Epson EcoTake 2800, and you can use any printer you would like with this video. Just any, inkjet, Canon, HP, whatever printer you have at home will work just fine. Now this next step is very important, because how you load it in there the second time is going to determine to make sure everything is printed correctly. So you're going to flip this over and then load it. Every printer has to be loaded differently, but I know for this Epson, since it does print the way you load it, I know how to flip it. So you may have to play around with it based off of your printer. I forgot to mention how to do the scratch off sticker, but pretty much the circle that we created for scratch here, you're going to add your coupon code there. These are the scratch off stickers that I purchased from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you're interested in these particular scratch off stickers. Well, this concludes the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you're notified when I upload my next video. I'll talk to you guys later.